Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper squishy. So this is what one looks like. It's basically like a squishy, but it's made out of like paper. I have a lot of these, and I'm probably going to do a paper squishy collection like soon. So I haven't posted in like a long time because I have tests, and I probably won't post that much next week. Then I will post later. So first you're gonna need paper, obviously, and you're also gonna need tape. It's like the second most important part. Scissors and like markers or colored pencils to color with. I have a bunch of them over here. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you how to make a pizza, but you can make whatever you want with it. So first you just wanna fold it in half. And what is that? And you can make whatever you want, but first I recommend you sketch out your design. So I'm just gonna draw pizza shape. So I'm gonna draw like a triangle because pizzas are in triangles. This is a pizza slice, I guess. And then for the crust, I'm gonna make it like out of the thing a little bit, and you can draw on whatever toppings you want. So I'm just gonna do pepperoni. It's kind of big, and maybe some olives and capsicum. Okay. Actually, I don't really like the capsicum. I don't even like the olives. We're just gonna make it plain. So now you want to lighten the lines up. I'm just gonna put this underneath. And I'm gonna cover the pepperoni. Once you're done with this, you can start taping it. So you can just take strips of paper and put it on your design. So just cover the whole thing in tape. This is actually pretty important because your paper squishy is like made out of paper, and paper doesn't last that long, but with tape it makes it more slow rising. So once you've taped the whole thing, you just wanna cut it out, but don't cut the bottom so that it is still attached. So now you can tape the side, because you need to tape both sides. So once you've taped everything, you can just trim it. So basically what you want to do is you want to tape all the edges. Oh my god. You want to tape all the edges together. So how you do that is you can just take the tape, place half of it on, and just like place half of it off, I guess. And then flip it over and put the rest. That, trim the excess. So So for the stuff that's curving like this, what you can do is, oh yeah, by the way, if you have thick tape, then that works great. I actually can't find my thick tape right now. For like covering it, you should probably use thick tape. So you can just take small pieces of tape like this and then cut little slits in it. For if you're making a circle, you're gonna use that technique. Sorry if these wires are coming in. So I'm just gonna speed up me taping all the edges together, but make sure to leave like a little opening because we're gonna need that later on. So once you've taped everything except for like one little opening, you should have a little pocket. And now you're gonna need stuffing. You can use plastic bags, foam, toy stuffing, whatever. But I'm just gonna use foam, little pieces of foam and toy stuffing. I have a whole bag, by a frame of toy stuffing. So I'm just gonna like do both because I think it's like the best. Because I did this with like only foam and it's not that slow rising. So I'm just gonna like rip little pieces of foam. But actually plastic bags are pretty slow rising. Okay, so you don't want to put really less stuffing, but you don't want to put too much stuffing or else you're gonna overcook it. So now you just want to tape the top closed or wherever you stuff it from. Once you've taped the top, just cut off the excess tape and you have a paper squishy. Yay. Sometimes it's not that slow rising, but I'm probably gonna do a paper squishy collection soon. So thanks for watching and bye.